Looking for a dash cam that captures every moment in crystal clear 4K day or night? Stay tuned, because today we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2025 that'll protect you and your car like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive often, whether for commuting, road trips, or just peace of mind, a dash cam is a must-have in 2025. So in this video, we're ranking the top 5 best dash cams of 2025 based on performance, features, and real user reviews. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. A800SE Dash Cam. The 70mm A800SE offers true 4K Ultra HD recording, supports dual-channel cameras, and includes HDR imaging for ultra-clear footage in all lighting. It's equipped with Wi-Fi 6, voice control, and a supercapacitor for safety in extreme temperatures. Reviews? Users love its sharp video quality and responsive voice commands, calling it one of the most reliable upgrades from the A800s. Pros? True 4K UHD recording. Dual-channel support. HDR plus night vision clarity. Wi-Fi 6 plus voice control. Supercapacitor for long life. Number 2. REDTIGER Dash Camera. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam comes with front and rear recording, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It offers 24-hour parking mode and super night vision, making it an excellent all-around choice for any driver. Reviews? Highly rated for its crystal clear 4K quality and easy app integration, users say it's one of the most user-friendly dash cams available. Pros? Front plus rear 4K coverage. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. 24-hour parking protection. Great night vision performance. Easy mobile app connection. Number 3. DDPAI Z60 Pro Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z60 Pro is powered by the Sony STAR-VIS2 sensor, giving it outstanding low-light performance. It supports front and rear 4K recording, ADAS driver assistance, 5G HZ Wi-Fi, and GPS tracking, all in a sleek modern design. Reviews? Drivers praise its next-gen sensor clarity and ADAS alerts, saying it's like having an extra layer of digital protection on the road. Pros? Sony STAR-VIS2, 678 sensor. Dual 4K camera support. ADAS smart driver alerts. 5G HZ, Wi-Fi plus GPS. Excellent low-light detail. Number 4. AZDOME Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro combines 4K Ultra HD video, built-in GPS, 5.8G HZ Wi-Fi, and a night vision mode that captures details even in near darkness. It supports a rear camera and features parking monitor and loop recording. Reviews? Users love its stable app connection, durability, and image clarity, especially at night. Pros? 4K UHD front recording. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. 24-hour parking monitor. Excellent night vision. Rear camera compatible. Number 5. XGODY Y10.26 Dash Cam. The XGODY 4K dash cam doubles as a 10.26-inch touchscreen dashboard display. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, GPS navigation, and rear-view camera support, making it one of the most feature-rich devices on this list. Reviews? People love its big screen, navigation integration, and smart connectivity, calling it a perfect fusion of dash cam and infotainment system. Pros? 4K camera plus rear-view display. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. GPS navigation built in. Large 10.26 touchscreen. Ideal for modern vehicles. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. If you want the best overall image and reliability, the 70mm A800SE and REDTIGER 4K are unbeatable. For premium smart features, check out the DDPAI Z60 Pro or XGODY Y10.26 model. And if you need night vision excellence at a fair price, the AZDOME M550 Pro is your go-to pick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top-rated gadget reviews every week. Which dash cam are you planning to get this year? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.